When you try to call someone on WhatsApp, you can see this error, call failed, try again. In this video, I show you how to fix WhatsApp call failed, try again problem. First of all, know that why this problem happened due to a bad internet connection, wrong app permission, or an outdated app. For fixing this problem, go to your Play Store, search WhatsApp. Now tap on WhatsApp. Now update your WhatsApp if available in update version. Then go to your phone settings. Then go to apps. Then go to see all apps. Now search for WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp. Tap on force stop. Then OK. Then tap on storage and cache. Then clear cache. Go back. Then tap on permission. Make sure you enable all permission. Now open WhatsApp. Then call someone. Now I hope that this method fix. WhatsApp failed. In problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. You can see that call is ringing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.